Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. A very warm welcome if you are a returning viewer on my channel. But if you are new, thank you very much for stopping by. And I hope you will like today's piece. So, let me tell you, today's piece has a story. So, I did this swipe that turned out really beautiful, but it did not dry well. So, I was so disappointed. But then the colors were so beautiful that I decided to embellish it and save this piece. I'm telling you now, at that time, I wasn't thinking that this entire piece will turn out this way. So, what I did was I used this swipe board as a background because the colors were still beautiful. Um, so, today you will see not one, not two, but three different techniques that I used. I use stencil with modeling paste, glue gun, and then on top of that, very first time I tried adding gold foil to the glue gun, and all in this piece. Hope you will like it. So I'll let you enjoy rest of the, and I'll see you in a little bit to explain different processes as we go along. Here's the final piece of my swipe of rainbow colors. I really loved how the color turned out, and the overall piece seemed extremely beautiful. All those cells and all the color combination, I truly loved it. However, I was not as enthusiastic once it dried. I'm not sure what happened, perhaps sudden change in dryness due to weather or any other factor, but I did not like the dried results. You will see in a couple minutes, a couple seconds, I should say. So I decide to embellish it since the dried colors seemed good as a background, but it needed a pop of something. So you will see that I first tried professional modeling paste for some 3D effects, but then I thought of using my glue gun and using gold foil on top of it. You will see how it was so organic and step by step that I kept on adding things to make it beautiful piece in the end. And that's what matters, right? It's an art. It's it's never right, never wrong. So I that's why I really like doing it. I hope you like this journey of recovering a so-called failed canvas, if I can say so, and giving it a second life. So I'll let you watch rest of the video until the end and let me know if you like the final piece. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
So this thing has dried now. So the plan is to use glue gun. So this is how the gold foil on glue gun looks like. It looks like molted metal. And very pretty. I still have to do a little bit more brush to clean it, but I'm not doing it just yet because I want to fill these flowers